Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about 7 my favorite VS Code extensions. So it's a very generic extensions I'm going to cover in today's video. I'm hoping it'll be helpful for you. So please stick with me and watch this video till the end. And first one from our list is AU theme. The complete look and feel which you are seeing currently, it's coming from AU theme. This theme comes in 3 versions. I'm currently using Mirage version of it. After installing this, you can change the theme from here. As you can see, currently I'm using AU Mirage bordered version. Okay, as you can see these beautiful icons over here, it's not coming from the Mirage theme. For this beautiful icon, you need to install other extension, which is material icon. After installing this, your folder structure would look amazing. Now, next extension from our list is JavaScript ES6 code snippet, which will improve your productivity hands down. It provides the shortcuts for various code snippets. Let's say you want to write for loop or print console.log. So it provides the shortcuts. You just need to type shortcut and it'll recommend you, and you just need to select it. It'll print the whole code snippet for you. After that, you just need to change the variable name and you are good to go. Now my next favorite extension is Polacode. People who do blogging and wanted to present their code, they usually find it very handy because it beautifully wraps the code in a box, I would say, and we can save that code in image format and use that image in anywhere, like in our PPT or in any presentation. You can execute the Polacode from command palette. You can open the command palette like that and type Polacode here and just hit enter. Here we go. As soon as you start selecting the code, Polacode will beautifully wraps it around the box, and you can customize the setting according to your preference. And you can save it by directly clicking on this icon and it'll save the image for you. Alright guys, so our next extension is Turbo Console Log. It's very handy at the time of debugging. You don't need to type complete console.log statement again and again. You just need to select the variable and press Ctrl Option L. In Mac, I'm not sure about the window, you can check the documentation, but yeah, it'll print the complete console statement for you. Even you can select multiple variables at once and generate console.log statement for all the variables at the same time. Now, next extension from our list is Prettier. It is a code formatter and it automatically formats your code, and you don't need to bother about all the spaces, new lines, etc. After installing this Prettier, you need to configure some settings. So open command palette again and go to open settings JSON. Now if you can notice here, I have configured this on save whenever for JavaScript only. In JavaScript, whenever I make changes and save it, it'll automatically executes the Prettier and formats the code automatically. So now the next extension is bracket pair colorizer. As the name suggests, it colors the bracket pair. Fine. So at the time of development, it's very handy to identify specific block. At times it is very time consuming and we struggle a lot to find right closing bracket. So it's good to use this kind of tool to be productive. Okay, that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any specific doubts, you can comment it down below, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram or LinkedIn. If you like this video, please don't forget to click on like button. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.